Podiums continue with the Mr. Doug Keeney. My goodness, this guy just knocking it out the park. The theatre's full from every single day. I love it. Thank you so much for your work, Doug, and of course Samantha. But today, Doug is going to be talking about the television, a conversation with the founder of the military, which is fabulous.
But what about the first one? 10 o'clock.
Yeah, well, I was at the 12 o'clock one, is it?
Oh, yeah, you were at the 12
Oh,
o'clock.
yeah, the 10 o'clock one. What about Pearl Harbor?
Pearl Harbor, yes,
Wow.
he's going to be in the theater for all of you. So he's going back to back. Today he has 2 talks for all of you.
Love that.
You know, most of us think any urbanization is a bad thing. I live part-time in Kiowa. We hate it when anybody puts any asphalt down on the island. People hate clear-cutting down our forests. But here's a great example of why it can be good. This is Almeria, Spain. Almeria, Spain is on the southern part of Spain, not too far from Gibraltar. It's a dry, dusty, totally uninhabitable area that you see on the left. That's 30 years ago. On the right is what we see today, which is Almeria's greenhouses. All that white are the greenhouses, the invernaderos of Almeria, Spain. And why do I like this so much? Because 3.2 million tons of produce are now being produced in these greenhouses where a little bit of water and a little bit of heat and a little bit of sun has produced an economy. 15,000 independent growers, 8 billion in revenues. Here we have the greenhouses, they call it plasticulture of Almeria, Spain. Kids are going to school. You know, they're hospitals now for a whole area in Spain. It says it's not just such an easy generalization to say that we don't like the urbanization of our human landscape. It can sometimes be very much for the good.